Central Asian sites. So weights and measures have been found. Cubical stones weights. Basic unit was 16 to more than 14 grams. The larger weights were multiples of 16 like 32, 48 and so on. So the toy of bullock cart have been found. That means for transport, to carry goods from one place to another inland within the country, they used bullock cart. And to move other civilization, they used ship. Because ship also has been found. These are the art and craft. How the people made, Harappan people were expert in pottery making. Pots were made, and these have been found from the ruins or from the Harappan cities. There were goldsmith, there were ironsmith, as I told you earlier. We can learn from the statue of a yogi that people were great artists. And also from the dancing girl, bronze statue of dancing girl. So these were the masterpiece of those artists of that time. Some ornaments have been found like rings, fan-shaped, headdress, earrings and so on. They were made of gold, silver, precious stones, ivory and so on. And people enjoyed their life and there were amusement, singing, music, drum, beat and so on. For children there were toys of birds, animals and so on. And these have been found from the ruins of Harappan cities or buildings. Now we are concerned with how this civilization got declined. How there was a destruction, annihilation of these cities, which you have seen in the last chapter, the map. These many cities were there. How it were destroyed? Where did the people go? Where didn't people go? So there are possible reasons. First reason is floods and earthquake. Maybe floods might have come and they might have shifted from this area to further in the central part of India. And we can also say that earthquake might have caused destruction. Also, the movement from one place to another. There is another possible reason, increased aridity in the region of Yamuna and Satluj. Compelled the situation to move from one place to another. Deforestation also is another possible reason. And many historians believe that the Aryans came from Central Asia and attacked these cities. And many were captured by the Aryans and settled here, people. And many of them shifted to central India and further to the south. So this is a possible reasons how there was a decline of this civilization. Now how it is a heritage of India. The Harappan way of making baked pottery, bricks, beads, jewelry, textiles, etc. was adopted by the later civilization. So, and also the belief, the religion, mother of female deity as a mother goddess, sacred animals, serpents, religious symbols. This became later a source of worship for the people of India. So in this way we can say that this civilization had been a great heritage for India. Now let us concentrate on the questions. We will be quickly answering these questions. Name two important sources of information on the Harappan civilization. It's a Great Bath and a citadel. And the answer is Great Bath and citadel. Name one important public building of Indus Valley civilization. It is a Great Bath, and you can see the importance. One or two importance is enough for as a short answer. Give any two characteristic features of the citadel. The answer is on page number 10. How were seals used? What information do they give about Harappan trade? The answer is page number 7. Briefly describe granaries at Harappa. Again, the answer is on page 11. Briefly describe the ornaments worn by the Harappans. Page number 13. That you can simply write finger rings, earrings and all that. Briefly describe the statue of dancing girl. The answer is found on page number 7. Mention the types of dress worn by the Indus Valley people. There is no proper dress written in the chapter, but you can make out from that they wore shawl, dhoti and so on. State two features of trade in the Indus Valley civilization. External trade and internal trade. Name any three animals depicted on the Pashupati seals. You can write any 3-4 animals given in the paragraph, but now you can see unicorn, goat, buffalo, elephants and so on. State any two causes that led to the decline of Harappan civilization. Flood and earthquake. And you can write a deforestation also. In what two respects is Harappan civilization our greatest heritage? The answer is found above at page number 14. From this part to this part you can take as a small answer. What do you know about the Indus script? The answer is on page number 8. So dear students, I hope that you have understood this chapter. Go through this chapter properly and go through the short answers, learn it properly, and also you can solve the long answers also yourself. And if you have any doubt, you can ring up me and ask me any doubt through WhatsApp or through phone call. So students, wish you all the best. Keep praying for your parents, for yourself, and for your teachers, and for the whole world. Wish you all the best. Bye-bye.